A 3.2% climb in Binance Coin is anticipated by Gov Capital Collector for July 6. But first, here's a quick overview of the current price movement. Binance Coin has advanced by 0.5% today and is currently hovering around $571.80. Let's pull up the analyst expectations. The price could fall to $557.95 by July 6 per CoinDataFlow, indicating a loss of 2.4%. Binance Coin could advance to $573.83 according to Traders Union, roughly 0.4% higher than now. According to 30 rates, it could test $577, an increase of about 1%. A separate projection from Gov Capital Collector suggests Binance Coin could move toward $589.82, roughly 3.2% higher than now. And lastly, Crypto Predictions targets $610.39 by tomorrow, which would mean a gain of 6.8%. This is the highest yielding forecast in this lineup. That's the end of forecast views. Let's continue. With all forecasts considered, here's what the numbers show. Taking all 5 forecasts into account, we could see the price move anywhere between a decrease of 2.4% and a gain of 6.8%, depending on the analyst. Overall, Crypto Predictions provides the leading forecast with 6.8% lift in value by tomorrow. Looking at the numbers, you could earn between $4 and $68 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Traders Union's forecast indicates the most probable price movement, with a 79.7% chance of success. Looking across all 5 predictions, I've put forward the clearest consensus path. Consensus insights show Binance Coin rising toward $581.80, an increase of around 1.8%. Here's how it looks in detail. The consensus takeaway is a 1.8% rise in price. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. With $1,000 at stake, the outcome might suggest around $18 in return. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Binance Coin is about 66.2%. Before diving deeper, let's take a look at the 3-day projections. CoinDataFlow emphasizes a downward trajectory. Traders Union emphasizes that movement will stay limited. 30 rates suggests upward pressure will persist. Similarly, Gov Capital Collector highlights the likelihood of a climb in price. An advancing course is similarly described by Crypto Predictions. Bringing together these perspectives, the consensus suggests that Binance Coin may strengthen across the 3-day horizon. Bringing the forecast together, most project Binance Coin to follow a rising path. 5 forecasts were posted 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how they matched the price. Ultimately, the market ended the day at $575.20. 3 out of 5 forecasts pointed the right way. If we rank forecasts by precision, 30 rates takes first place. Let's zoom in on the individual results. Every analyst's forecast was outside the actual boundaries. Speaking of ROI, some forecasts ended with gains and 30 rates had the strongest result. Here's the results table. A clear look at how things turned out. Also in today's table, Traders Union had 82% forecast probability, $13.03 accuracy, and